Richard, pwede ka na, if ever after this seduction, open ka na sa mga mas daring pang mga role? Or, well, just to prove, of course, prove mo rin yung naman sa actor.
Yes, I'm actually open talaga naman eh. Gusto ko lang din talaga na magandang script, magandang project, magandang pelikula. At ito yung seduction. Ito yung dumating sa akin na handog ng Regal Entertainment na hindi ko ina-expect. And as an artist talaga na-challenge ako and I wanted to do something like this. In the future, of course, I'll do more movies like this. Kung maganda yung script. At
Richard, nabanggit mo kanina, is mo sa
syempre.
So, anong ginagawa mo para...
Hindi, syempre, namimiss ko siya. Kasi
Wala
nga,
yung miss.
you know, she's part of the movie. We're supposed to be promoting this together, enjoying, you know, the process of promoting and inviting the people. And, you know, nakakalungkot na wala. Pero, ganun talaga yung sitwasyon ngayon. Hindi naman natin mababago yun. So, alam naman niya yun. And alam ko na happy rin siya ngayon. Happy siya ngayon, relax siya ngayon. So, happy for her.
Kumusta na si Sarah?
She's okay, she's happy, she's with her family, they're spending quality time together, she's able to unwind and relax. So now she's good. She's doing good.
So, the communication ko, nandiyan naman yung communication.
Yes, of course.
Hindi naman nababa.
Pag may chance, ngayon, gaya nga ng tanong mo na kung paano ko siya, I mean, I keep myself busy. I try to keep myself as busy as possible. Pero pag nagkaroon ako ng window na schedule, I'll try to visit.
She's staying there for good or bakasyon?
Wala pang final. Wala pang final.
Richard, pasagot lang ito kasi yung lumalabas na balita na susulat na sabi, kasal na raw kayo ni Sarah.
Alam mo, marami mga chismis na umiikot-ikot ngayon and ayoko na siyang pansinin. Ayoko muna palakitin yung mga ganyang issue na hindi naman dapat pinag-uusapan. So, huwag muna natin pag-usapan.
Your birthday is coming up. Paano yung celebration mo? Wala.
Oo. Pero nag-greet na niya ako ng advance happy birthday kasi baka mahirapan yung communication namin in the next few days. So, she greeted me happy birthday already and sana nga nandito siya sa birthday ko. Pero okay lang. Okay lang. I mean, syempre pag nagtyaga ka ng ganyan, pag pinaghirapan yung relationship, it pays off. So, konting tiis lang. Pero kasama ko naman yung family ko, kasama ko yung mga kaibigan ko. At simpleng celebration na ang gagawin namin.
Nag-attempt ka pa na tigilan si Sarah?
Hindi. Kasi matagal na niyang plano yan eh. Matagal na niyang plano yan. She really wants to spend time with her dad. And she wants to see also if she can go back to school. You know, may mga dreams siyang ganun. So, you know, I tried to, kumbaga, I tried to delay it. Next week na or something. Pero, hindi, ganun talaga eh. We have to face reality.
How did you support Sarah dun sa mga pinagdaanan niya before she left?
I support her fully, of course. Alam ko yung pinagdaanan niya, syempre nasaktan din ako for her. Pero, ganoon talaga eh. Nasaktan ako dahil malapit sa puso ko si Sarah. Malapit din sa puso ko ang kapuso ko. So, I'm caught in between. Pero, you know, yun ang masasabi ko.
Mag-freelance ka na nga ba? Mag-freelance ka na ba? Because of this, yung issue ng GMA and Sarah?
I don't want to talk about that right now kasi, you know, I want to pay respect to GMA. You know, I'm their artist and may mga plano pa silang projects going for me. So, I don't want to discuss that right now. I think it's not the right time to discuss that. Maybe we can discuss that in the future.
So, kamusta ang paalaman niyo sa when she left you?
was a process eh. It wasn't just a moment na, oy, bye, bye. It was a process.